Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to add background color to your Canva frames, a technique that instantly makes your designs pop and stand out. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create custom frames with vibrant backgrounds effortlessly. First, start by selecting the image you want to use. Click on it and then head over to Canva's background remover tool. This feature clears out any unwanted background, giving you a clean canvas to work with. Next, go to the Elements tab and choose Frames. Pick the shape or style that fits your design best. Once you've selected your frame, duplicate it by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Then overlap the two frames, one on top of the other. This creates the perfect layering setup for your image and background. Now, drag your image into the top frame. Adjust its position to fit perfectly. Then click Position and select Backward to ensure the image sits above the background layer. Back in the Elements section, search for keywords like color or background to find vibrant options. Drag your chosen background into the bottom frame. Make sure it aligns nicely and click. Position backward if needed, so it sits behind your image but still shows through the frame beautifully. Finally, select all your elements, both frames and the image, and click Group. Grouping locks everything in place, keeping your layout intact even if you resize or move it later. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can add a stunning background color to your Canva frames, giving your designs that professional, eye-catching touch. Thanks for watching and happy designing.